Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page in Hubspot. First, navigate to the Marketing tab in your Hubspot portal, then select Landing Pages under Website. Click Create Landing Page to begin. You'll then choose from a variety of templates, so pick one that best suits your campaign's purpose. Give your page a descriptive name for easy organization later on. Now it's time to design. HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to arrange elements. Add engaging headlines and concise body text to convey your message effectively. Don't forget to include high-quality images or videos to capture attention. Most importantly, make sure your call-to-action button stands out and clearly tells visitors what to do next, like download now or get started. A key part of any landing page is the form. Drag a form module onto your page and customize the fields to collect the necessary visitor information. Next, focus on search engine optimization. Edit your page settings to include a compelling page title and meta description. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your content to help your page rank higher in search results. Before going live, always preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button. After publishing, HubSpot automatically tracks key metrics. Regularly review your page's performance, paying close attention to conversion rates. Use these insights to make data-driven adjustments and continuously improve your marketing efforts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.